Hi everyone, it's Gidesh here and welcome to my new video! It's been so long since I made the 200 subscribers special video, and even longer since I made the 100 subscribers special video. So this video is the long-awaited 300 subscribers special video. And because my other videos were a Q&A and a whole LPS song, this special video won't be that interesting since nothing beats a whole song, but it's still quite amazing to know things about me I haven't told you yet. So this video's topic is 100 facts about me. And because this video will take a lot of time, let's just get into the video. The first fact is, I'm a small artist and my artist name is Purple Moon. You might have already known about that, but oh well. Next one. 2. I'm obsessed with music and I literally listen to anything. 3. I am really sensitive. 4. I have over 300 LPS. 5. I love Halloween and scary things. 6. You might have already guessed from my content, like my music videos, that I am a lesbian myself. So there comes the reason why my mascot and her girlfriend are lesbians too. 7. I am in so many fandoms, and I have been in even more fandoms. Like, there are just too many. 8. I'm a gamer girl. 9. I like to draw a lot. 10. I guess this was pretty obvious, but I absolutely adore cats. 11. I used to collect My Little Ponies and Monster High dolls, but I haven't sold them. They're still somewhere in my room. 12. As I have seen many opus collectors as furries, I am a furry too. What a surprise! And an upcoming project might be Alex as a fursuit. So yeah, I'm a fursuit maker too, but I don't make that many fursuits. 13. I wear a lot of jewelry every day. Like, I have 16 bracelets on my right breast and 3 on my left breast. I also wear 3 necklaces every day and sometimes even 4. And let's not forget that I wear earrings too. Every day. 14. I'm an ambivert. So that means I am an introvert and an extrovert. 15. I wear headphones everywhere I go except for when I'm in school. But if I'm allowed to use them, I definitely take that chance. 16. I listen to music all the time when I'm sad, angry, happy, or bored. Like, yeah, music is my life, so why not? 17. Writing songs is my therapy. Like, I put all of my emotions into writing those songs, so... 18. I live in a small town, so city life isn't my thing. 19. I have my own room and I'm so thankful that I have. 20. I have tried LPS customizing. I think it's not my thing, but I don't know about the future. 21. I love watching LGBTQ plus series and movies. They're just so amazing. 22. Me and my family travel a lot. I mean, one of the reasons is because I am half Finnish, half Estonian. I have to go to Estonia a lot, so that's one of the reasons. 23. I have never traveled out of Europe, so yeah. 24. I like painting. 25. I gave myself the nickname Seagull a couple years ago because I laugh like a seagull. Do you want to hear it? Okay, I think that was enough. 26. My zodiac sign is Cancer. 27. I love summer and autumn because I'm a summer girl, and autumn, well, you know the reason already. 28. I only had 12 authentic Sheath 2, Sheath 3 LPS when I started collecting them again in 2022. 29. My first relationship was with a girl, but it was, so she's my ex now. 30. I am, and I have been, a long time, a weird kid. 31. This is my opinion, but I know many people agree. I hate AI. Period. 32. Again, this is my opinion, but I don't get the hype of the Labubus. They're not my thing. 33. I collect so many things, from LPS to crystals, and even Ramonet bottles. 34. My most expensive LPS is 319. Hello! Come on! Yep, I'm the most expensive. It's not focusing! Yep, that's me. 35. I am right-handed. 36. I hate math, especially geometry. 37. I just can't drink normal water. It has to be sparkling water. 38. My second name is Elizabeth. 39. I am allergic to mosquitoes. 40. I used to make every spider in my room my pet. 41. I hate bananas. There are just so many things I don't like about them. 42. LPs are my emotional support pets. They just help me with everything. 43. I used to be really active on TikTok in 2019 to 2022, but then it just changed, and now it's not a special place for me anymore. 44. When I was a kid, I had unlimited internet access. Yeah, let's not talk about that. 45. I have nearsighted glasses. That means I can see clearly things that are far away. 46. I used to have braces, but then I just didn't need them anymore. 47. I mostly wear baggy clothing because they're just really comfortable. 48. Okay, you might attack me, but it's my opinion, you know? I have never really liked reading. Yeah, I'd rather listen to audiobooks than read. 49. Absolutely everything makes me cry. 50. Halfway done! Wow! I used to have my own cat. She was a black cat named Musti. But then she just went missing, and now it's been 9 years since that happened. 51. I am an old FNAF fan. Five Nights at Freddy's for life! I'm really excited for the second movie. 52. My childhood plush is a cat. 53. I hate coffee. I'd rather drink tea than coffee. 54. What? Why can't I speak? In 2020, I got a scholarship because I was really active in studying when it was the pandemic. That was pretty surprising. 55. I used to be a small Minecraft YouTuber before I got into collecting LPS again. 56. I am currently making a new song. 57. I don't really like watching TV. I rather watch movies or series from my laptop than from a whole TV. 58. I eat more popsicles than ice cream in the summer. 59. Every time I see the moon, I take pictures of it. 60. I used to play volleyball. 61. This is weird, but I walk really fast. I guess I just have some places to be. 62. I will get a pet axolotl someday. Yeah, I've been dreaming about that since I don't remember. 69. 63. I'm a picky eater. 64. I like cooking more than baking. 65. I have an older brother. 66. One of my dreams is to visit Japan. I just love its culture. What a dream. 67. I have taken my LPS to school. Like I have done that 2 years in a row now, on the last day of school. 68. I usually eat salty snacks, cause I don't know, sweet isn't my thing, I guess. It has never really been my thing. 69. Haha, really funny. My birthday is on 3rd of July. 70. I watch animes sometimes. 71. I have freckles. 72. I have won 3 LPS giveaways. 73. I guess this is pretty random, but my school has over 400 people. 74. I play Pokemon sometimes, but right now I haven't played it in 2 months. 75. My favorite subjects are music, visual arts, and English. That's one of the reasons why I chose to speak English, even though I can speak Finnish or Estonian. 76. I am a soprano. I can sing really high. 77. I have never cut my hair really short before. 78. I have central heterochromia eyes. I'm pretty happy with those, because it's something special about me. 79. I'm the youngest child. 80. I keep all of my other nails short except for my thumbnails. I'm not lying, they're really short except for these. 81. I absolutely love salty licorice, because I'm a Finnish. We love ourselves some salmiakki. 82. I also used to make dragon puppets when they were a thing. 83. I still play SingStar sometimes, because I'm a singer, something to do with my voice, you know? 84. I have Halloween decoration all year round. 85. I have fake plants, because I cannot keep real plants alive. 86. I have performed in front of an audience so many times, and it's really fun. 87. I sing in front of my mirror a lot. 88. Hello Kitty was my childhood. 89. And here it comes. I sing every day. 90. My favorite flowers are daisies and violets. 91. My favorite time of the day is midnight and golden hour. 92. My favorite food is macaroni salad. 93. I'm also a Kacha kid. 94. I have never broken a bone. 95. In 2020, I was also a Dream SMP fan until it ended. 96. I have always been a Warrior Cats fan. because I love cats and their lore is really amazing. My favorite warrior cat is Scourge, and he has been my favorite since I was a child. 97. I am really kind and caring, also really supportive towards my friends. 98. I'm an LPS collector of 9 years. 99. I like when it's raining. And last but not the least, 100. I have a girlfriend. They used to be my bestie for 6 years until I told them about my feelings, and now we have been together for 9 months. Soon 10. That's it. 100 facts about me. Isn't that crazy? I hope you can relate to some things I said, like me being in a lot of fandoms or something. And I'm just super thankful for all of you guys. We're already at 300 subscribers. Even though this video is late, that doesn't mean that I don't appreciate all of the subscribers. I'm just really busy with school, and sometimes I don't even have motivation. But even though this video was just me talking, that doesn't mean that I have to make the outro boring. I really hope you like this video, and let's see, when will my next subscriber special video come out? If you didn't know about it yet, I usually make an Instagram story where you can choose what the subscriber special video will be. I hope you have liked this video. See you in the next video. Bye!